This is just a quick video to show you guys something that I've been, working on over the past couple of days. It's a Nordmende Spectra Phonic from the, I believe, early 1970s. I got this set very cheaply, just 20 bucks. And what I've done to it so far is replace all the electrolytic capacitors and spray the controls. There's still some tantalum caps that need replacing, but I have not been able to decipher the markings on them. From the guides I found online, tantalum caps like that one are 1400 microfarads, which just can't be right. So if one of you guys knows how to properly decipher that, please let me know. I've actually got to watch my fingers there because that's the power transformer. Anyway, without further ado, I think you guys should hear how awesome this thing sounds on FM. A little loud there. I had it set to AM, which is currently dead.
Keep me guessing, keep me terrified. All I really want is something beautiful to say.
With SRN News, I'm Patrick Foss. The head of the Islamic military has failed.
The leader of the Islamic State group is heard in a newly released recording saying that the campaign by
jumper wires. This is the antenna plug there.
I keep it real to real in the way I feel. I could walk you down the true, and not one of them involving you. Just watch my wildest dreams. Looks like it's over now. Do whatever she wrote.
Shaping up to be a really great set. This is the FM tuner up here. It's inductively tuned. Might have been a little hard to see, but these cords go into the box here to move an inductor, or move a ferrite slug rather through an inductor. It's supposed to have dial lights. Both bulbs are burned out. I think this set saw quite a bit of use. Whoever owned it just used it till it died. Almost all of the electrolytic caps were blown, but they've all been changed out now with some fresh new ones that I just got in yesterday, actually. So, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll have this thing playing on AM soon too. I can faintly hear some stations. Maybe I'll just try that quick. With the volume turned all the way up, I was able to get some stuff. I'm not even hearing anything now. I was able to get the strongest local station earlier, but I can't even get that. Oh. Super faint. I don't know if you can hear it. So that means the oscillator's working at least. Anyway, thanks for watching.